Hey everybody, welcome to my newest listing. This is a fantastic 2-bedroom plus den unit, 10-foot ceilings, exposed brick walls. Look at this beam. This is awesome. We're in the heart of Corktown at 510 King Street East. Welcome to Unit 316.
Everyone's disposable. Every time I date somebody new, I feel vulnerable that it'll never change and it will just stay like.
I know that you're gonna love this amazing suite as much as I do. For more information or to set up your private showing, visit 510king.com.
Get in your car and you'll need to kiss.